All right, kindergartners, today we're going to decompose, and that means we're going to take a number apart. So we're going to put one number into two different parts. If you look here, we see the number 5, and we have 5 flowers. So we're going to put these flowers into different groups. It says, Alex plants 5 daisies in a flower pot. Some are yellow, some are red. Use counters to show one way to break apart a group of 5 daisies. Color the daisies. Complete the equation to show how many red and how many yellow daisies. Now, if you had your counters down here, or you wanted to use your counters, you could take out 5 counters, flip some of them red and some of them yellow. You could break it up into 1 red one, 4 yellow ones, 2 red ones, 3 yellow ones, or the opposite. You could, or 4 red ones and 1 yellow one. And then you could also go the other direction. Actually, I think we just did it. So what I would like you to do right now is decide how many you want in one color and how many you want in the other. I'm not going to color, so I'm just going to draw a line down the middle. And I think I'll pick my line right here. So these over here are going to be red, and these are going to be yellow. How many red ones do I have? I have 2. So my 2 is going to go here. And how many yellow ones do I have? 1, 2, 3. Now let me ask you a question that I know you know the answer to. Is 5 equal to 2 plus 3? Yes, it is. Now I also want you to notice something else. Check it out. My answer comes first, and then my equal sign, and then my problem. But that's okay, because this equal sign doesn't matter where it is. All it means is that this side is equal to this side. That gets kind of tricky, but it's not as hard as you think. This equal, it just means that this side, right, is equal to this side. So in this problem, I happen to have my answer over here and my problem over here. And actually, my problem became my answer. Isn't that kind of tricky? Alrighty, let's go to the video now. Maybe. There it comes. Well, there we go.
Alex plants 5 daisies. Some are yellow, some are red. How many are yellow and how many are red?
Do you see? Ooh, they picked a different group than we did.
There are 5 daisies in all. 1 is yellow, 4 are red. You can use an equation to show the problem.
Okay, we're going to write an equation now, and I bet you know what it is.
There are 5 daisies in all. 1 yellow daisy and 4 red daisies is 5 daisies in all. 5 equals 1 plus 4.
Good work. Oh, we're not going to start that over. All right, let's go to the work together to do. Well, it's running a little slow today. I think we'll get there soon. I can go ahead and get my pen. Here we are. All right, it already colored them for you, and it has 2 and 3. So all you have to do is take your pencil, and you know that 5 equals 2 plus 3. Trace them over, and let's turn to the next page. I'm going to grab my pen. And it says, have students listen to the story. Use and draw counters, color the flowers, and complete the equation to model other ways to break apart part 5. Marta plants 5 flowers. Some are yellow, some are red. How many are yellow and how many are red? All right, kindergartners, you get to decide whatever you want. You could make 1 red and 4 yellow. You could make it down here only 1 yellow and 4 red. It doesn't matter, but then you have to write your problem. Instead of coloring usually, here's another idea. You could also just put circles under some of the flowers that you want to be one color. And then, whoa, that I did not mean to do. And then you could go ahead and put X's under the other flower. So instead of coloring them red and yellow, I could also just give them a symbol. So then that would be 1, 2, 3, 4 plus, how many did I X? I only put an X through 1, 4 plus 1, and it still equals 5. Good work. Let's go to the next one. It's taking a little while today. All right, I'm going to read the directions, and this is independence. You should be able to do it on your own. Have students listen to the story and use counters and color the flowers. And it says, Carlos plants 5 flowers. Some are yellow, some are red. How many are yellow and how many are red? You get to decide. The last one says, have students draw another way to break apart 5 with flowers. So this is the thing. If you broke it with 1 and 4 up here, you can't do that same problem down here. You have to pick a different one. So you could do 5 plus 0. You could do 4 plus 1 or 2 plus 3, but they can't be the same problem. All right. Good job, kindergartners.